Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video series, I'll be sharing 7 tips and tricks on how to read faster. In fact, many of these techniques are tried and true methods that I've been working on for years and you won't see in any other videos. Keep watching. Tip number 3, use blue light reducing software. As with tip number 1, this is a technology-based tip that applies to people who do a lot of reading on digital devices, including laptops and smartphones. If you're one of these people, I highly recommend that you use software which dims your screen and automatically adjusts the display's color temperature according to your location and local time of day. This feature has become standard on many devices, but if you don't have it on your device, one of my favorite free options for Windows is a piece of software called Flux. The website address is justgetflux.com, and I think that that's a great domain name because that's usually what I say to people when I recommend it. Flux is amazing, and if you don't have it or something similar, get it, and your eyes will thank you. I started using Flux during law school, and I immediately noticed that it allowed me to read faster and longer by reducing the strain on my eyes. And on a similar note, to ensure that you're keeping the strain on your eyes down as much as possible when reading, be sure to view the screens on any digital devices in good lighting that's as easy on your eyes as possible. My analogy for this is that if you were trying to become a great basketball player, you'd want to have comfortable shoes that are easy on your feet and not causing you any unnecessary discomfort. If your shoes were one size too small, they'd hurt your feet and you wouldn't be able to stay on the court and practice as long. As with reading, you want to make your environment and surrounding conditions as favorable as possible for making it easy for you to read. This will ultimately help you read faster. As a small bonus tip, you should also read in a place that you find to be the most conducive to concentration. I find that there's wisdom in the expression, a place for everything and everything in its place. For me, I associate my bed with sleeping, so if I try to read in bed, I fall asleep. Bed is not the place for reading for me. My preferred place to read is sitting upright at a table, either outside, at a coffee shop, or near some natural light. If you want to read faster, figure out where and what time of day you do your best reading and do it there at that time. So there you have it, my 3rd tip on how to read faster. If you learned something new from this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Just click the subscribe button below this video. And now I'd like to turn it over to you. Is the tip in this video something that you've tried before? And if not, do you think that it may work for you and is something that you may try? Let me know by leaving a comment right now.